Hi everybody, this is Diane from Accounting Power. Glad that you're with me. I'll be using the Xero videos and their help section along with my comments to explain what's going on behind the scenes. Enjoy! When you first open your new Xero account, this is the first page you'll see. And I suggest that you open this setup guide. As you can see, a new tab opens and you will go to their help center. This page has a few good tips regarding what you'll be asked in the setup guide. Okay, as you scroll down, you'll see not so much start working in Xero, but right down to number 5. It does go into this quite in depth, and you can click on the blue phrases to get more information. So that's there. Going back to Xero, another good way is to watch this video. This is a really good video. It does take a few shortcuts.
Now let's take a walk through the setup guide, where you can fill in a few details to get started straight away or complete the setup process now.
I really like it.
However, it's important to get things right from the beginning.
And it starts from the beginning too, and it will walk you through the process.
And the name you want to display.
Even if you just watch it once and then try it yourself and maybe go back to it. Let's just take a quick walk through it. I've already set up these various items. It's important that you choose the correct business structure that you're in, and you put your ABN in here. Put your postal address in here and your physical address. I strongly suggest you do this. For your GST activity statement settings, this is so Xero knows how to produce an activity statement for you. So ask your accountant or bookkeeper if you're on a cash or accruals basis, or if you're not even registered for GST. Usually you'll be on a cash basis. Put in your tax file number. If you're a company, it will have its own number. If you're a sole trader, it will be your own tax file number, your personal number. Your GST calculation, just put quarterly option 1, don't worry about the options. And PAYG withheld is for staff. Do you have any staff? Don't have any staff, let's just put none. And PAYG income tax method is how the tax office determines if you pay an amount in advance towards your tax for the end of the year. This will only appear on your BAS if you have lodged a tax return for your business, okay? And made a profit. So you can put that in there, or you can just leave that at none. For the moment, you can always change these things, and my goal in showing you through this setup is to show you then where you can make changes in Xero, because this won't come up more than once. After it's finished, after it's filled out, it will disappear. Okay, so your tax defaults, and you can change these later. Any sales that you put in, say you put $400 for a sale, that will include the amount of GST. The final on the invoice won't be 440, it'll be 400. Same with purchases. So select your time zone, click next. This is very quick, a very quick setup. So invoice settings, we're going to skip that. Invite users is next, and we're going to skip that too. Currencies is next, and we're going to skip that too. And we're almost finished, because where we are now is at chart of accounts, and pretty much this is the end of this video. I just wanted to show you how to get through it very quickly, and now we're at chart of accounts. This is where your general ledger is kept. I will always use the default chart of accounts for new businesses. And it is set up for GST, as you can see. That's all for this section.